Hi everyone, so we'll be moving to Nubra Valley now. Things look really good. Some talk going around in the background, but yeah, let me vlog soon. So it'll be a car journey for around 6 hours now. So let's see.
I see the light inside your eyes. You make me feel like I'm awake.
Hi guys, so we have finally reached Khadungla Pass, and it is a bit cold over here, although I don't feel it too much. But the crowd over here is immense. Everyone here wants to get a glimpse of the snow. Wow.
Don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love.
We are experiencing some snowfall as well right now. Yeah, so me and Anikash are over here. So we'll be heading to touch the snow now. There's a spot over here where everyone is saying you can touch the snow. Wahi to amazing. God damn, this view is lovely.
I'm falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone.
The weather over here is lovely, guys. Like, you should definitely visit the place. It is quite secluded, but lovely. I'm really enjoying it so far, and it's time to touch the snow. So yeah.
Don't leave me alone. You make me high. Oh yeah. Be by my side. Baby, yeah. Only you can save me. Only you can save me.
I'm sitting near the snow right now, and it's so lovely seeing the snow. And I don't know if you can see me, but it's really nice. Like, you know, playing with the snow over here. So yeah. Oh, the whole place is covered with snow. You see the mountains also. Never been this happy. Wow. Hi guys, so we just found this river sort of. I don't know if it's a river, if it's called a river or what, but it's super fun. So we'll be going in and drinking water directly from over there. Wow. It's an amazing experience. I'm just totally loving it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just the thought of it is so good. Like chills. Utter chills.
How to touch of love my mind like a bottle of wine. I'm inside. I can't love you and drive me wild when I kiss you at night. I'm okay.
बहुत ठंडा, मजे आ गए. इतना फ्रेश पानी है और इतना फ्रेश, मजे आ गए. We have reached Nubra Valley and it's hot over here. I just can't believe that less than an hour ago we were in snow, and over here it feels like Delhi right now. It's too hot. Don't you think, Anikash?
It's too sunny.
Yeah, it is too sunny. So yeah, we'll be stopping here to grab something to eat. After that, let's see how things plan out. So yeah. We have reached at the ATV point, and me and Anikash will be sharing the ride, and we'll be switching in between. The track looks really long and it looks quite nice. The area is also nice, and it's my first time trying an ATV. So there is some flag system. Let's see how things go. Really excited for this now. Yeah, we'll be starting now. Mannica is taking the lead. So guys, we have reached the Buddha Monastery now, and I have a low battery on the GoPro now, so we might resume after this after a while when I've replaced the batteries. But yeah, the place looks beautiful so far. So yeah, so far so good.
Oh yeah, be by my side, baby, yeah. Only you can save me.
Truly a great workout over here, guys. I think this means like a lucky charm. So yeah, this was pretty fun. The view, oh god. I know I keep saying this again and again over here, but the view. Yeah, so guys, so we are at the sand dunes now, Hunda sand dunes. But it's a pretty weird place because we have sort of a river over here, and we'll be crossing via a pull, and we'll soon be heading for camel rides. And yeah, quite excited for the camel rides also. Let's see how things go. Yeah. So me and Anika were just discussing that this should be a concert area, and because it's so weird, like, you guys should definitely visit this place. It is supposedly a desert, but as I just showed you, there was a river. The whole land is sort of wet also. I don't know what's happening over here, and we are heading for a camel ride. Wow, I can see a few camels right up there. But yeah, like sort of right there, I think, yeah. But yeah, we'll be heading to the ticket counter now. Whoa, I'm enjoying this. Very nice. Guys, we were just discussing that there is one camel in this group which is sort of like a trainee or an intern, because this little guy over here is not carrying anyone.
But still walking with us.
Really interesting. He's like one of those trainees who's like, you know, I can do all the work, you know, I can do everything, just, you know, I'll be in the lead. But then the lead is like, go back, you'll start working from next week, not now. So yeah, the terrain. Lovely ride, by the way. Thank you, lovely guys. Our good ride there. Hi guys, so we have finally reached our hotel slash resort in Nubra Valley. It's Ladakh resort. Looks so great so far, and the place is also very nice. We're expecting it to be very cozy. So yeah. So guys, it's around 7 right now over here, but still it's quite bright over here right now. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear a river running through near us, and these are the tents where we are staying. So lovely, like I just can't believe how lovely this place is. Totally worth it. Like the tents like feel like home. Like let me just give you a brief tour of our small and cozy tent. So we have the bed over there, chair is also there. A table is there, a desk, and we have the bathroom also over here. And I don't know, just the sound of the water running through and the birds chirping, just wow. I am totally loving this. I don't know if you can tell it by my face, but lovely. Me and Anika really like the tent. It's way better than our expectations. Kudos to Thrilophilia. So we have this whole trip was planned by Thrilophilia. So we took their package. It's a 7 days trip. So yeah, I'll also show you around the dining area. The food looks good so far. So they have a buffet for us. I'm just really happy. So let's continue in further videos how we plan the night. We are also gonna have a bonfire soon. So that's gonna be my first ever experience. I think I did have one when I was very small, like a kid. So yeah, quite excited. See you soon. Hi everyone, so the bonfire has started now, and we'll be joining in with the other people. Currently we're playing cards in our own room. So yeah, let's see how the bonfire goes. I don't think we'll be sleeping tonight. So yeah.
पता नहीं कब क्या हुआ वहाँ पे आग लग जाए
उसके नीचे वाइट था पूरा हर बार वो
साला हो
हाँ हर बार वो लेफ्ट फुट से करता था जब मैं घर गया था तो उल्टा पड़ा था ये क्या हुआ है भाई इस शूज का तो नहीं शूज
कीचड़ में ये पड़ गया था उससे बच गया था मैं